If you're watching this, chances are you own a home. Are you thinking about it right now? Well, that's good because it's your most valuable asset. Think about the contacts you currently have on your phone. You've got a doctor, a hairdresser, a mechanic for your car, an insurance guy, and probably a fitness trainer. But what about a great real estate agent? Well, that's really important because they'll help you seal the deal when selling your home to get you the most amount of money in the shortest possible time with the least amount of hassle. So while you're dreaming about your dream home, make sure you chat to the team that has the widest reach, not only in South Africa, but globally as well. And when you're ready to sign on the dotted line, make sure it's with Remax Premier, because they'll make sure you're completely taken care of. Remax Premier, it's the unfair advantage.